Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another Mask Monday video. In today's video, we are going to be testing out a new deep conditioner, which I'm actually very excited about because I have the entire collection and I haven't dived into it yet. I have it just chilling in my stash. So today we're going to get started. We're going to test something out of this collection. As you can see by the title, I am going to be testing out Mono's Hair Curl Restoring Treatment. So I am very excited to test out this deep conditioner with you guys, but before diving into the deep conditioner and what we're looking for, I always like to let you guys know what products I used in my hair while in the shower and just let you guys know what the base of my hair is so far. So today I did shampoo and condition my hair, and for shampoo I use the Up North Naturals Clean Curls Cleanser, and I actually really like this cleanser. I've used it before. It has like that pepperminty feeling and it also smells very minty, so I do like that. It cleansed my hair. My hair felt really nice and soft, so I did enjoy that. And then I did follow up with the same conditioner from the line, which is the TLC Replenishing Conditioner. So I use this to detangle and condition my hair, and to be honest, I wasn't a fan. Now I've used this before, but it's been a while since I used it and I don't remember not liking it, but I don't remember loving it. Just felt like I had to use a lot of product to detangle my hair, and my hair wasn't even that tangled up, right? Because I just refreshed my hair a couple days ago, so it wasn't even that tangled. But I love the smell. My hair did feel really good after, and it left my hair feeling really soft. Like if you guys were to touch my hair right now, like it feels really nice and soft and fluffy. So it did a good job before detangling. I wasn't in love with it. So that is the base of my hair. That's what I used. So let's get started into deep conditioning, because ever since I started filming my Mask Monday videos again, I've only been a deep conditioning once a week, which is not typical for me. I like to deep condition my hair twice a week, but I just feel like the days are going by so fast and I'm not able to co-wash my hair or wash my hair in between the weeks. So I've been washing my hair just the days that I'm filming for the Mask Monday. So I'm excited for this one. Like I mentioned earlier, today we're using the Mono's Hair Curl Restoring Treatment. I'm excited. It comes in a 6-ounce container and I bought this at Sally Beauty. I will tell you guys pricing. Actually, let's tell you the price now, right? Why not? Okay, so the Curl Restoring Treatment retails for $11.99 at sallybeauty.com. When I bought it, I purchased the entire collection. Did I purchase it? I think I did. I purchased the entire collection, but they were having a sale at the time, so I was able to get the entire collection for a cheaper price. But Sally Beauty always has some type of sale, so definitely if you know, let's see how it works, but I will definitely wait for a sale to test it out instead of paying $12 for 6 ounces, which is a lot for 6 ounces. $12 for 6 ounces. That's a little bit pricey, but again, Sally Beauty always has a sale, so not bad. So this treatment, it's supposed to restore elasticity to strands for smooth, defined, and moisturized curls. Wash your curls with the curl hydrating and apply section to detangle. Process for 7 to 10 minutes with a hair steamer, dryer, or conditioning cap. Rinse and apply the curl primer, and curl styling potion. Okay. So that's what we're going to look for. We're going to look for moisturization, definition, and just see how my hair feels overall. So let's get started. So I haven't even opened this. I haven't tested it out. I haven't even smelled the collection. So let's go ahead and see. All right, so off the bat, it has a very thick consistency to it because it's literally like not even moving. So sheet thick, and then, oh my gosh. Wow. So right off the bat, it smells like a men's cologne. I know. It smells like a men's cologne. After I apply this, I'm going to ask my husband what this smells like and we'll have him share, but it smells very strong to say the least. But hopefully it doesn't linger because I don't want my hair to smell like a men's cologne. It smells like it smells good, but in a hair product, I don't know. All right, let's get started. Let me go ahead and start wetting this hair. I just put my TV as my monitor again, so I can literally see everything so much clearer now because I was using my iPad. I still am as like a control, but now I have like my TV right in front of me and it's so much better. I filmed a video the other day and it was blurry. The entire thing was blurry and I wasn't able to tell on my iPad, and when I was editing it, I was so sad because I had to trash the video. Like the whole thing was blurry, so I had no choice but to connect my TV again and use it as a monitor, and it's gonna be like, it's so much more helpful powerful than a small iPad. So anyways, you guys probably don't care about that, but so far so good. This applied really nicely. The smell is very strong. It's definitely lingering. I'm just really concerned. I just hope that the smell doesn't stay in my hair, but it is very potent. I don't know how I feel about that, but I do like that it's a thick deep conditioner. I do love a good thick deep conditioner though, because I just feel like my curls thrive and it just works so much better. Because this is only 6 ounces, I'm not going to be heavy handed with it because I don't want to go through it. Like, that's not that much product, so I don't want to like go through it super quickly. But as you can see, my curls did not bounce back up. They just stayed nice and put. So we'll see how we feel about this and how it works. I really need you guys to leave me some recommendations of deep conditioner, you guys, because I want to place an order of some newbies. I have a couple of them, but I kind of want to revisit some of my oldies, like some of my old-time favorite deep conditioners. Like, man, I really used to love Diva Curl, but now I'm actually scared to use Diva Curl because of everything that's been going on. But I was really obsessed with the deep conditioner from Diva Curl, and it sucks that everything is like going on, so I don't want to use the brand right now, but it does suck because of what happened. So I don't think I'm gonna be reaching for the brand right now, and definitely not showcasing it on the channel. But I used to also love the Weedat Triple Tree. I haven't used that one in a while. I don't remember if I did a video. I definitely do have to go through my list of Mask Monday videos that I've done because I don't remember which ones I've done, and I kind of want to revisit some. But please let me know which ones you guys want me to try because I want to place an order. You know, let me know whether that's Ulta, whether that's Sally Beauty, or wherever you guys shop for your deep conditioners, Target. Let me know what you guys would like to see because I really do want to be consistent with my Mask Monday videos, and I love trying out new deep conditioners. Honestly, just my favorite part of wash day. I love deep conditioning my hair and just seeing my hair go from dry and frizzy to really nice and soft and smooth and luscious and moisturized. I just love seeing the process of it. So if you guys have any deep conditioners, let me know because I want to purchase some new ones. All right, so far I see the curl definition now. Finally, you guys saw that like bounce back. I like that. So I see it, and I am seeing lots of shine, which I really appreciate. I love to see my curls react to a deep conditioner, and shine is definitely something that I always look for, especially when I rinse it off. I like to see if it actually stays shiny because hello, that's when it actually counts. So I'm also using a Tangle Teaser brush as well. I know it doesn't look like one. It's like really different from what I usually use, but it has the same head. It's just a different shape, but I love it. It's chubby, it's cute and comfortable. Also, because I am going to be doing Mask Mondays on a weekly basis, I thought it would be fun to talk about things while deep conditioning my hair. So I want to do it a little bit more interactive. Interactive, I mean, instead of just me like fast forwarding the clips of me just like deep conditioning my hair, I want there to be a topic every single Monday, right? So I know I haven't been posting on Mondays. It's just because my schedule has been so hectic that I'm just not able to like post on actual Monday. But I do want to talk about different topics that you guys want me to talk about on Mask Monday videos. So I think that'll be really fun. It can be anything you guys want me to talk about while I'm doing my hair. So it's like a therapy session for me and you, right? We're doing our deep conditioner together and we're talking about something. So leave a comment down below, leave a topic you guys want me to discuss for next week. I'm excited to start this because I don't want it to get boring for me. I know you guys enjoy Mask Monday videos, but I feel like I'm doing the same exact thing, just using a different deep conditioner every week. So I do want to keep it fun and interactive and keep it as like a girl talk and like make it fun, but like we're just talking about girl stuff or whatever. Anyone who watches me or like anything. So like while we're deep conditioning together, you know, we'll be talking about stuff, and that way it's not just you watching me apply the deep conditioner. So it's just more interactive and it's more fun, and we'll get to know each other a little bit more. If you watch this video, please take like 2 seconds to just comment out a deep conditioner that you would like me to try, and then the second thing is a topic you would like me to talk about in my next Mask Monday video. So that's your homework for today. If you're watching this video, please just comment down below, and I want to know what you guys want me to talk about. I want to know what deep conditioner you guys are loving at the moment, so it's more fun, you know, and you guys can look forward to Mask Monday and I can look forward to filming them, because sometimes I'm like, man, I don't know what I'm going to talk about. So if you guys give me a topic, I think it'll make it much more easier. So Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish applying the deep conditioner on my hair. It's a treatment actually. It's not really called a deep conditioner, but to me that's like the same thing. A hair mask, deep conditioner, and a hair treatment. I mean, it depends, right? Because some hair treatments, like the Afro G treatment, that's like an intense treatment. So you definitely need to deep conditioner after that. So I guess treatment is different. What am I saying? Gosh, this brush is so slippery. Applying the deep conditioner in my hair, and honestly, aside from the smell, I think it is very potent and it's very strong, and it smells like a men cologne. I said it already, but like honestly, like it applied like butter. Super soft, super smooth. It looks really nice and shiny. As you guys can see, the curls, they're shiny. Like they look really nice. They feel really soft already, and I am starting to see that curl definition coming through. So I do like that a lot. I'm gonna go ahead and follow instructions, and I'm gonna sit under some heat for about 20 minutes, maybe not 7 to 10 minutes. I'm gonna definitely do a good 20 minutes under here. Like I mentioned, I am only deep conditioning once a week, so my hair is gonna get all the moisture, all the yummy juices it can possibly get, so that we can have a great wash week. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you guys once. Alright guys, so I am back and I just finished rinsing off the deep conditioner. Let's see the results and let's see if it's worth trying this deep conditioner. Okay, so I'm not gonna lie, I'm obsessed with the results. Okay, we are off to a really great start of the week. I am obsessed with my results. When I was rinsing it off, literally just like last week, my hair felt like butter, and I'm really getting lucky with these deep conditioners because I love the way it worked for my hair. I think kicking it up with some heat in there, I did sit under the heated dryer for about 20 minutes. I wanted to show it to you guys. This is my little BFF that I use to deep condition my hair, and my mom actually got this for me as a gift, and she got it at her local beauty supply store. So if you want to get, I mean, given the circumstances, I don't know if the beauty supply stores are open, but you can totally order yourself a hooded dryer maybe at Sally Beauty, or maybe like an online beauty supply store, see if you find one, or maybe on Amazon. But game changing, adding heat to your hair while you're deep conditioning is a must, and I love that stuff. Or a hair steamer as well, that works really well. But I am obsessed with the results. I absolutely love the way my hair feels. Sorry guys, I had my chair lower because I was under the secadora, but anyways, I love the way my hair feels. I love the way it works. The only thing I'm literally not a fan of is the smell. I did rinse my hair off and it's still very much so lingering in my hair, so I'm not really a fan of that. No me gusta. Like, I don't like how it smells that much. Like, it just smells like a cologne. So the only cons, like I said, is the way it smells, and that it comes in a small size container for $12. This is definitely something I would probably reach for in the future for sure, just because, hello, like the curls speak for themselves. They are amazing, but the smell just throws me off, and the fact that it's in like a smaller container. But I didn't use that much product. I would say I have about maybe 2 to 3 more uses out of this container. I wasn't heavy-handed because I didn't feel like I needed to be, but I love the results. I'm excited to style my hair, and I think you should try it. But if you're very sensitive to smells and scent and you don't like your hair to smell like anything, this is gonna be a no for you, like a hard no. Like fragrances, then I don't know if it's gonna be for you. It's just a very strong scent, so that's my only complaint. but it worked great. My hair feels amazing. My hair looks great. Like, I'm obsessed with the results. I just don't like the smell. So that is my final thoughts on this deep conditioner. I would highly recommend to wait until the stores open up so you could just smell it for yourself. And so that concludes my thoughts on this deep conditioner. I hope you guys enjoyed this week's Mask Monday, even though it is Tuesday. But don't forget to leave me your deep conditioner recommendation and your topic recommendation for next week. I am looking forward to filming next week's video based on your topic recommendations. So leave me a comment down below, and I will see you guys in a couple of days because I'm uploading a new video in a couple of days. So I'll see you there. Bye.